Beyond SOLID, there are six more principles that show up constantly. In code reviews, in architecture conversations, and in interviews where the interviewer wants to know how you actually think about design, not just which patterns you've memorized. DRY, don't repeat yourself. Every piece of knowledge should have one authoritative home. The trap is confusing similar looking code with actual duplication. Two validation methods that look alike but validate different business concepts aren't duplication. They'll diverge eventually, and they should. The real signal is these two pieces change for the same reason. That's when you merge them. KISS. Keep it simple. The simplest solution that actually solves the problem is almost always the best solution. A flat if else is often more readable than five classes wired through a factory. A 20-line method can be clearer than an elaborate abstraction that saves 3 lines. Complexity is a tax. It accumulates, it slows you down, and it compounds. You need a real benefit to pay it. YAGNI. You aren't gonna need it. Don't build features you don't need yet. We might support multiple payment providers someday, so let me add an abstraction layer now. The problem? Your abstraction will be wrong when the second provider actually arrives, because you didn't know what you were abstracting yet. Build for one. Refactor when the second shows up and you can see the real shape of the problem. Composition over inheritance. Instead of subclassing to reuse behavior, inject that behavior as a collaborator. Don't build a hierarchy of flying duck and swimming duck. Give duck a flyable and a swimmable that you inject at construction time. Now the behavior is swappable, testable in isolation, and combinable without a subclass explosion. This is exactly how the strategy pattern works, and it's why the Gang of Four opened their book with this principle. It unlocks everything else. The law of Demeter. Only talk to your immediate collaborators. If you're writing order.getCustomer.getAddress.getRegion.getTaxRate, you're reaching through 4 layers of internals. A change anywhere in that chain breaks you. Ask order for the tax rate directly. Order knows its structure. You shouldn't have to. Less coupling, less fragility. Encapsulate what varies. Find the parts of your system that change most frequently and isolate them behind an interface. Discount calculation logic changes every quarter. Extract a discount strategy. Adding a new discount type becomes a new class, not an edit to existing code. Sound familiar? It's OCP again. These principles echo each other because they're all pointing at the same truth. The code most likely to change should be the easiest to change. These aren't just interview vocabulary. Internalize them and they become your instincts. The quiet signal that tells you something's wrong in a design before you've articulated exactly why.